कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Unong yalam kalyang persya ba Ronnie do ulapan ke Jingïatreilang niki MLA ke Trinamool Congress man ki MLA jang Voice of the People Party hakador bar mang tingkah kapan sedang naduk kakan rutrik rempang araja apusau kena wakum kakan hon keberal hakalyang persya kindup la ban kren yakimat ki jura ki bayadai ba ki jing'e jang ki pat ba nong shong shnong ka jela kalyang persya jang yang dor bar thau an ke jela kadon khat sangut ki MLA bakin thop ki sangut ki MLA ka Congress sangut na ka Trinamool Congress ba sangut na ka VPP.
To have a forum will be very, very good. But if we cannot have a forum also, but then if we can come together during the assembly session and take up issues collectively, I think that will be good enough. To them, we have written to them, so let's hope we get a positive response from them. That the party will decide. We have a block committee, and as and when it is required, we'll have convene a meeting. And it's a practice of the Congress party is to invite application, and then accordingly the block committee will decide on the candidate. Decide on my own candidature, nor can anyone decide. Anybody who is interested can always apply for the ticket, and then there is a procedure that final decision is arrived at. Who is the best candidate to contest the elections? Let's see. Now we'll cross the bridge when the time comes. Nothing you can say divided. We are a separate political entity. Only we have not come together. To say that we are divided, I think that question is not correct. Because VPP is a separate political entity, TMC and INC also is a separate political entity. So to say that we are divided, I think is not the correct word. We have not come together as an opposition party. Yes, but to say divided, Congress is intact, TMC is intact, VPP is intact. All the three political parties will take up issues in the House, but if there are certain issues which are very crucial, which are very vital, perhaps we can all voice together, all the three political parties.